Let's not overreact, ladies. Nag-promise ako sa inyo na hindi kayo madadamay dito. Gumagawa na ng paraan ng mga lawyers ko.
Oh, come on. Ling, please don't waste your precious laway explaining. And besides, Barbara and I have already reached a unanimous decision. We're out.
Out? Out of what?
Out of your side, and we are already now on Team Rebecca.
What? You can't be serious?
Seryoso kami, Aurora. Ibabalik na namin ang mga anak kay Rebecca before this whole mess explodes and takes us down with you.
You traitors?
Call us whatever you want. We don't care. We are just protecting ourselves. Katulad ng sinabi ko, ibabalik na namin